and marquee when it's shut down, eh?
How much other you do with dreadlocks, big Congo dreads, we are not Rastas.
I got TikTok, but y'all still don't know that everybody
So
with locks is not Rasta.
Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la.
Guys, so walking to the river. We're gonna be going down there. So here's the bridge. Rose over there. Row! Yeah, show them. Guys, so looking through the railing, that's one side of the river. We're on the bridge. And look how much free crocodile fern there is. Free crocodile fern for everyone. We gotta pay for this in America. Oh yeah, look at this nice tree. Look at all that stuff growing off of the limb, guys. Crazy. Alright. Wondering why it got so dark is because we're under this big tree. That's where we're coming from. About to go down there. We'll see you in a few. About to juice this soursop. Let me know if you've ever had soursop. It is one of the best tasting things in the world. Soursop juice. So I'm gonna make some soursop juice with coconut milk and ginger. Add in the water. And then we're gonna squeeze the soursop into the water, and then we're gonna strain. Hey guys, so we're juicing now. Make sure your hand then clean, obviously. So yeah, this is the juice. You gotta squeeze it out before you strain out these guys. You're gonna strain out these, but you're squeezing it so you can get the juice out of the pulp. And then these are the seeds inside. So yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so we're grating the ginger in the soursop juice now. See it there? Smell it?
Ginger.
Yeah, so nice ginger all up on the juice now. You see how smooth?
Strain and everything, but the ginger go in and then the ginger go strain again, so yeah.
Yeah, so stay tuned.
Yeah,
Keep watching, man. Wish you could have get that cup right now. Guys, coconut milk throwing. Ooh, look at that richness. The coconut milk is going in. Don't mind the little remnants in there. That's ginger. So we have to strain out the ginger in the juice.
Yeah, strain it out and squeeze the ginger, you know, squeeze out the ginger essence.
Yes, so here's what it's looking like so far. And then you add your sugar and you add your, yeah, that's it, your sugar. Sometimes I'm so used to putting like citrus things in there too, but because we added the ginger today, it's a different vibe. So you just mix it round. See, ooh, look how creamy that is. And then you're just gonna add your sugar.
Yeah,
I said that for 1,000 times. Yeah.
Condensed milk.
Or you could put condensed milk, but yeah, here we go. That's it. Chef kiss. See it, yeah? See it there? Yeah. Give me a feather. What am I doing now? Not that way. guys. Coming back from the river, and you may be wondering, what is wrong with my eye? Let me tell you something what people don't tell you about the rivers down here. As beautiful as they are full. Well, the little hidden ones, the little off-grid ones. Some of them are good, but some of them are filled with mosquitoes. I'm allergic. I got bit in my face, the side of my head, and you don't want to see my legs, okay? They were feasting on me like it was Thanksgiving down there, okay? So just know, because you just don't know which one is gonna be, just prepare yourself, okay? Come with your mosquito repellent, whatever you use, because it gets crazy, okay? As you can see, nothing is off limits. Alright, so we're about to head to the shop now, and about to be right back. Alright guys, so today's menu is going to be brown stew pork. Yes, some brown stew pork. I love me some brown stew pork. Here's a browning. We just finished seasoning it up. Nice. Ease browning is pretty bomb. Haven't had any issues with it so far. But yeah, it's gonna be lit.
Alright guys, you don't know pepper, little pepper.
Yeah.
I forgot in, so I put all like because you don't know pork, so
Yeah.
all of that needed. And I like 2 pounds, I just 2 people.
Yeah.
So literally it's a pound of pork each.
I just me and roll.
Yeah guys, and as much as I saw with the locks, so them are good. As much as I saw with dreadlocks, big Congo dreads, we're not rastas. We are free people. I believe in a dreadlocks, you know, and I don't know look at dreadlock history. Dreadlocks used to exist way before Rastafari. Rastafari is not the one who invented dreadlocks. Dreadlocks in ancient Egypt, long time, ancient Africa, every ancient civilization used to wear dreadlocks because they understood the importance of our hair. The Native Americans, the native Taino people, the Arawaks who them say they are Jamaica, all of them they wear dreadlocks, the Taino people them. You get to me I say? So, I not make no little rare lock me in a little box and tell me where feed versus where I not feed. Because I honestly feel like say the freshwater fish more dangerous than the pork. And the chicken more dangerous than the pork too. So yeah. Remember that. Enough of the vegetable the Rasta man them eat have whole heap of hormones and chemicals in it and poisons way more dangerous than the pork. So you know.
At the end of the day, it's just preference, and this is what we prefer. And hair shouldn't have anything to do with what you are eating and your diet. I just don't see how that matches up. And you're not gonna tell me one little man from Africa, Ethiopia, which is
Selassie. Say my God. So if you say Selassie a God, you have to go say Marcus Garvey a God too. Because Marcus Garvey did predict say Selassie a get crowned. And Marcus Garvey prophesied say Selassie a get crowned in Africa. So if Selassie a God, Marcus Garvey should be worshipped as a God too.
Yeah. And I never heard Marcus Garvey talking about he wasn't eating no pork.
Exactly.
As a matter of fact, he looked like he was eating it real good.
Yeah.
So so I'm not about to make no little people around here. And then Jamaican people have a style where they like to just repeat things and they're not facts. Yeah.
And then I research.
Yeah, so that's our stance. We have locks for spiritual purposes, but it has nothing to do with what we want to eat.
Yes, and everything affects your vibration. So if you eat be a vegetable, I think be a fuckery. You can't just achieve to eat the meat then. Exactly. What you think at the end of the day is a thought pattern.
Same thing if you going to church. You're going to church and you still doing evil ass shit. Stay the fuck out of church.
I don't mean I say better you stay yard. You get it?
Yeah.
So you think shit and I do evil shit to people. You be covetous. You be bad mind. But at the same time you say you eat vegetables.
You're selling your front. You're selling your teely.
Yeah, exactly.
Your butthole, whatever you want to sell.
And you say you're vegan. So fuck that.
Yeah.
You know?
So pick your fucking poison is the moral of the story. And this is mine.
And don't judge.
Yeah. Oh, if you want to judge, that's your business. But
yeah, go like another skeleton in the closet, but you want to talk about people, oh, this and that, Rasta yeah. Eat pork. Well, if Rasta eat pork, I am no Rasta. I don't tell everybody this and he's not no Rasta.
Yeah. Interrupt the infomercial for a second.
Yeah, radical knowledge. I don't know where to drop it.
Yep. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like, all seasoned up. Peppers, onions, garlic, browning powder, seasoning, all good stuff. Oh yeah.
Salt.
Salt, you already know, to bring out the powder seasoning, enhance that flavor. You already know. Alright guys, so the pork is stewing. Yeah, so the pot is on the fire now. Pork is cooking down. In case you're wondering about the bottle, we'll get into that another time. It's 2 in 1. Alright guys, so as you can tell by the freaking floor, it is pouring out here, but we still can get this video done regardless. Look at the freaking floor. Just look. Oh yeah, some mud puddles for you guys. Oh. Yeah, but regardless, you know, have to work for what you want in life, right? Regardless of the obstacles. And we want to make this video for you guys.
Pimento leaf.
Yeah, so we're just dashing some pimento leaf. This is what the pork is looking like so far. Looking real good. Smelling even better.
Yeah, rain have fallen and wet up the whole of the wood then, but we still have to try to get
that's what's going on, just in case you're wondering what's going on with the fire. Like I said, it's pouring.
Cats and dogs out here.
Hopefully it doesn't start pouring again, but if it does, I will show y'all what is going on, because it's crazy.
From morning tough.
Yeah, from about like 5 o'clock this morning. Okay guys, so that's what we're dealing with.
Jamaican stew pork off grid.
Yeah, what the chef said. Here's our little chicken. She's eating some rice. 50? Alright guys, we are live in the flesh. The farmer raw fire, as I told you.
Yeah, we have fire, beer rain.
Smoke. Yeah. Beer rain, guys. Beer rain. Must be the full moon rain. I don't know what the heck it is, but it's been raining for the past few days. Like, our plants can't even get the adequate sun that they need. I have some new baby chicks. They need heat. Can't get no heat. So, yeah. Yeah. They literally have a heating bottle as a little radiator, so. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. So the angry mob, like, oh look, her afro's coming back. The angry mob, like I told you before, they're ready for their food, so we're gonna go over there and give them some rice. But first, yeah, let's check out the pot first. It's almost ready. Hey guys, so you already know, fire blazing. Yeah. Get them bowl, guys. A little picking stick. Oh, not so little. Angry mob wants food and they want it now. Hello. Y'all don't want to see me unless I have food, huh? Okay. Alright guys, so we got the goods. There's a remnant of the rice. I'm gonna razzle dazzle it with this on top.
Razzle dazzle.
Bro likes that word. Look how hard he's smiling.
It's so funny. Razzle dazzle.
There used to be a cereal, a special edition Rice Krispie called Razzle Dazzle. It was the best thing in the world. Sometimes I wonder if me and Tasha was the only people who would ever eat that cereal. I'm gonna text her and ask her about it. Yeah, guys, there was this Rice Krispies back in the day that was a special edition, and it was Razzle Dazzle. It was the best freaking Rice Krispies in the world, and they just discontinued it. I don't know why companies do it.
Where you find that one, yeah?
What? Oh, in our seasoning bag.
The seasoning tell us something left from mine.
Yeah. It kind of looks like a little sushi, bootleg sushi roll.
This is how the chicken them a bit.
This is their bootleg sushi roll. So the son wants to make an appearance. That's great. That's wonderful. I just wanted to
I
keep
love
it
the
up.
things we don't make them things they stop with Franco.
Yeah, guys. Because what if we never started cooking? You guys wouldn't be getting this fire ass content right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's head over to the cups. The cups. What it is, y'all. Yeah, guys, we literally have to hold it off to the side. Let me get this footage.
What are we?
That's the angry mob.
Move, we're not listening.
Snow be the main one on the bowl, and then she be stepping on your hand too. Somebody got some rice, but it fell through. They're so greedy. Look at them. This one got food. Why you y'all are wasting perfectly good rice. What? Y'all don't understand that this floor is mesh? Every time they bring something out of the bowl, they're trying to run away with it, and then it ends up falling through the mesh. And then they're just looking at it.
And then the other chicken then gets me near it.
Yeah, like this girl here. 50? You're picking up all the scraps? You see, it falls right through the mesh, guys. I know 50's eating it. The circle of life. You see, you just saw some drop. Can't make this up. Oh boy. We had to lock up Fluffy and Brownie, which are, I guess they're silky mixes. They're not pure silkies, is what we had to find out the hard way. One of the things I just hate about Jamaica is that a lot of people just don't take pride in what they do. And what I mean by this is they'll be selling something, they don't know the correct name for it, they just give you facts that they've heard about it, and that's about it. Like, you know what I mean? So like with the whole chicken situation down here, apparently in America, and I didn't know this because I wasn't into, like, I don't know, if you asked me this like maybe like 2 years ago, if I would have done farming, I probably would have thought that you were insane. Not that I have anything against people that farm, but like for myself, I just wouldn't have imagined this type of life for me. And sometimes you don't know things until you actually try things, but I realize, obviously, you know, I love animals, so it works hand in hand. And obviously I know that there's vegetation farming and livestock farming, so obviously I'm more into livestock farming because I love animals. So yes, so people will sell things down here, they just repeat information. What Jamaican people call common fowl, people don't really sell those type of chickens, you know what I mean? And in America, they are like the creme de la creme because there's so many variations. You have things called dual birds that are good for laying eggs and meats. Jamaican people only know about 2 birds for that. They have what you call the layer hens, the brown hens, and then they have the white mechanical birds that they use for meat, and they can slaughter in 6 weeks. Now, as far as the quote-unquote common fowl that American people raise, like black Morans, blue Morans, Orpingtons, things of that nature, people have no idea what you are fucking talking about, and it's the most frustrating thing in the world. So it's just like going on a wild goose chase, you know what I mean? Especially the hen that I showed you, 50, we don't even really know what she is. I've been trying to figure it out, but I don't know, and it frustrates me because I want to know as much as possible about the things that I have, especially if I'm going to be selling them, you know what I mean? So anywhoodles, he told us that the first set of silkies that we got were purebred, and then we had to find out the hard way that they are not purebred due to a lot of things.
That's the next part about it.
Yeah.
Because if you know, could I probably do research and things, but you don't know.
Yeah, it's just frustrating. So the farm stores don't sell regular chickens like, you know, Black Morans, Orpingtons, things of that nature, Rhode Island Reds, things like that. They don't sell that. It's either you want the white chicken that they call it or the brown chicken that lay eggs. That's what they refer to them as, and that's about it. And it's just so annoying. But anywho, yeah, so we have to lock up the silky mixes, just Fluffy and Brownie, because they are being bad today. So they're in timeout. So that is why 50 is the only one walking around. But all of them are the same age because we got them at the same time. But I wonder if you can see them. Hold on. You can't really see them because it's kind of dark in there, but yeah. Yeah. They're eating it. Brownie's tearing it up. I see little red ants. Hey. My snake grass, I don't know what's going on with it. It's I don't know. I got hurt. I planted them the same time, and the snake grass is just doing what it wants to do. If anybody has any tips about snake grass, I'm gonna look up more information too, but let me know if I'm doing something wrong. It's a succulent, and I found it in a dark place anyway, so lighting is definitely not the problem. I just don't know what's going on, and soil is not the problem either. So like I said, this only started off with like 2 or 3 pieces of grass that I planted, and look at it now. So I don't know. Yeah, so back to the pot. We have about 15 more minutes left for Miss Piggy to finish cooking out. And then we I don't know. Or Mr. Piggy. So yeah, have about like 15 more minutes, and they're gonna throw on the rice and eat and be merry. Yeah. Rose messing with me, so I'm going to show our DIY clothesline, temporary clothesline. This is a bamboo stick just hooked onto 2 trees. So try just to find this one. Yeah. Poor row. Yeah. Trying to get some more wood, guys. Everything wet up, everything. And the farm, guys. Ro and I are about to go and pick some apples and grapefruits and show you guys. I gotta be very careful because it's super slippery. A nice juicy grapefruit up there. Y'all can see it. Yeah, it's bouncing around that yellow thing. Oh, see it drop there. Two you get, man. Well, yeah. Oh, yeah, I gotta eat one. Yeah, man, that good. So I'm show them where you get. Let me see.
I'll hold it more up there.
Yeah, nice. 2 big grapefruit, almost bigger than your head.
Bring bag when I go up in the tree.
So yeah, guys, we're literally harvesting stuff right now. About to go get some apples, Jamaican apples. You're gonna see that in a sec. You can see through the branches. Finger there. Right over there. We'll fight with the picking stick because it's tangled up. Gotta get this farm cleaned up, guys. A bare bush. These bushes are not supposed to be here, but we'd like you guys to join our Patreon so we can start using that money to travel, do more videos, and also to clean up the farm. So please become a Patreon, or you can do a donation to our PayPal channel. Just in case you're wondering how we get our water and stuff off grid in this lovely tank here. I actually need some water right now, so yeah. Like I said, guys, any small donations or joining our Patreon would greatly help. So please do so. All links can be found in the description box below. Might get some. Alright, so this is the apple tree right behind me. This tree right now, that I'm focusing on, this is actually a mango tree. Very old. But bears nevertheless. Nevertheless. Let's see if we can see some mango. Oh yeah, see some there. Mango not coming in good yet on a mango season, so you know. Alright guys, so these are the apples that we got. If you ask me how to pronounce it, it's OT, high tea. I don't know, I have to look up
Atioti apples.
Atioti apples. So, or they have a lot of names. Malaysian rose apples. Anyways, Jamaican apples basically in a nutshell.
Jamaican red apple.
Jamaican red apples. They are so good. They're nice and soft and juicy. I actually read this morning that they're actually 91% water. So it does make you go to the bathroom a lot. Flushes you out. But the inside looks like it's taking forever to focus, guys. So the skin looks like, and it's really soft, like I said. Nothing like American apples. Slightly crunchy, but it's more on the softer side. And it's really juicy, like I said, 91% water. And I'm going to put all the health benefits of this apple on the screen, so look out for that in a sec. We also have our grapefruits, like I showed you earlier. They are huge. These grapefruits are not pink inside, and they are so delicious. They taste nothing like American grapefruits. I hate American grapefruits. I thought I didn't like grapefruits my whole life, but it was just the American ones that I don't like. So yeah, guys, that's our little mini harvest for today. Most of these apples probably are going to be gone by today, honestly. So yeah, Rose getting down, enjoying his little apple. The chickadees eating apples. They love apples. They're so cute. Where y'all going? I don't even like apples. They're bougie. They don't like apples for whatever reason. They're missing out. They like bananas though. They love bananas. These two. My other hen in here, 50. Where is she? 50. Sorry, I can't even see you on the camera. It's too dark in her coop, guys, but she loves apples. What about you, Snow? Snow's hiding.